Lagos to try some wine. Get it.
And I'm here too.
And Maddie's here too. This is Villa Alvor Winery, located in Algarve, Portugal.
So, first of all, you smell the rest, okay? Then you swirl to release the aromas, then you smell again, then you drink.
A little history about this winery. It was purchased in 2019, but they have a history of making wine for over 150 years.
So, keep in mind that wine tastings are very personal. So, you can sense one thing, she can sense other things. Don't worry because it's very different from each other. So no worries, okay? Okay. Good job.
Okay, so a veces se siente grapes.
What flavors is your?
What did you find there?
Honestly, just grapes.
No worries. When I started to work here, everything smelled like wine and only wine, so no worries. But now I will tell you and try to find those. Pineapple and some tropical fruits in general. Try to find them there.
Pineapple?
Pineapple.
I am pineapple.
No?
Must have been a dry pineapple.
Maybe some white flowers also.
Maybe the flowers. I don't smell the pineapple, but it does smell kind of good. No, you said it, but is it kind of the orange flower?
Sorry?
The orange flower, like the smell from orange?
Nice.
Yeah.
That small orange, I don't know how you say it.
Why do you get
So when you do a wine tasting, baby, they only give you a little bit. Because you're getting a little bit of each that equals a full glass.
Siempre hay que ir probando.
Hace poquito que me
If they
dieron.
give you 4 ounces, 4 ounces, and then 12.
They're almost, I will do the same challenge with you. Because
Okay.
you are closer now.
Yeah.
In terms of alcohol, this one is a little more higher.
Because it's sweeter, right?
Sweeter, yeah. You heard about it?
Yeah.
So because it's sweeter, it's
Higher alcohol.
Our alcohol.
okay.
The sugar is always associated with the alcohol.
That's why I like the sweeter ones. More tipsy.
So what did you find in your rosé?
Muy bueno.
What?
No, bueno, digo no.
He said it was really good.
You like it? Nice.
We said apples, but
Yeah.
yeah,
Maybe a greener apple, right?
like
Like-
a,
A greener or more red?
Yeah, I was more like
Did you
a,
find, for example, some red berries in there or not?
I did not find any
No?
red berries.
Even not peach?
no.
Peach or far from peach, like a
And the cherry flower, the cherry blossom.
cherry blossom.
Try it again. The flower.
Maybe cherry blossom, maybe.
Like I wouldn't
So
know.
red, so it's dry.
Try.
Right?
I'm not a dry. I'm very
It's not
sweet.
very dry, okay, but it's dry.
I'm very sweet. Cherries, maybe. I say cherries. I say cherries. Ah.
Mujer,
And an oak.
mujer.
An oak.
So what we learned is that these wines were kept in 4-year-old barrels to give just a hint of oak. This is really good. It's dry but good.
Oh, pensé que, yo pensé que
Jam.
había conocido.
Cheese.
No, no, because
Y esto no
wine.
probamos.
Was good.
Good? Wow, you liked it?
¿Te gustó?
That's good.
Good?
Muy bueno.
Ma's drinking water.
Very good.
Very good water.
The agua is great.
This is wine real.
So sorry it's a little windy, but these are the fields where they grow their grapes here in Portugal. Beautiful. And look, you can see the oranges right there. So they have oranges as well, but this is the fields where they grow some of their grapes to make their wine here. In wine heaven.
Oh, very good.
I have a good sniffer. My sniffer's off today.
Mommy,
Only yeah.
For me, I just smell alcohol. Stop cheating.
She's a good one.
David's sniffer doesn't work.